Now we're going to finish off our non-chronological report by writing a caption for our picture that we've drawn. And we're going to use quite a complex sentence structure for this. So the way to start it off is to think about some adjectives about the rainforest, and it can be anything, any adjectives at all. So I'm going to start off here by thinking of some adjectives. Maybe that's amazing, it's wet, it's wonderful, it's extraordinary, it's vital, it's tropical, it's dense, all the trees are dense and close together, it's vast, it's very, very big, it's lush, it's tall, it's magnificent. And you might be able to think of some more adjectives to describe a rainforest. Now, the sentence structure we're going to use, which is quite a complex sentence structure, and I'm going to write it in this box that I'm just quickly drawing now, is we're going to start off with a clause, and then we're going to use a colon, which are two dots like this. And from that, we're going to list three adjectives. So the clause that we're all going to start with is going to be the Amazon rainforest. Remains today. The Amazon rainforest remains today. And then you're going to use your colon, which is a full stop and then another full stop just above it. Remains today. And then you're going to pick three adjectives. So I'm going to model now to the side of my picture how I'm going to write this sentence. I'm going to start it about here. Okay. The Amazon, and Amazon is a capital letter because it's a place. The Amazon rainforest remains today. And I'm going to put my colon, so it's a full stop and then another full stop at the top. And now we're going to start to write a list of adjectives. So I'm going to look at my plan and decide which adjectives I like. And I'm going to do a list of three adjectives. I'm going to use tropical, vital, and extraordinary. The Amazon rainforest remains today. Tropical. And because it's a list, we need a comma. Vital. And then this is the last word, so instead of comma you say and extraordinary. Full stop. The Amazon rainforest remains today. Tropical, vital, and extraordinary. So now I'd like you to write your final sentence for your non-chronological report using this complex sentence structure with a colon and then listing three adjectives at the end.